Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today, I'm reading Matthew chapter 5, verse 43 to 45 in Urobo language. Obi ri Matthew uyomi royin inyorin awo royin ujuve gbera rite ujuve gbinyorin. Verse 43. Wujinyo rawo tane wono igbenyanwe rere wove iwigrenwe wo. Verse 44. Eke vovo metake wene wono iwigrenwe ne erowo ke ikwo rikpokpo uwe. Verse 45. Kesi onwa emo re ose rohe obo ogewu kidie uvuroyin mue obo ve ogbori osio royin kwe owata ve oru imuemu. Thank you.